All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to see if this Harbor Freight aluminum rod will work. We are going to make this into a gas tank, and I need to put that nipple on for the gas line. So without further ado, let's heat this up and see what we can get out of it. I don't know, I've never done this before. I'm hoping that this stuff will actually work. I know we got to heat up the surface of where we're going to braze it and see how it goes. So let's heat that up, and the rod should start melting, and then once it starts melting and flowing, it's kind of like soldering. So we shall see how it goes. We also got to make sure this don't leak too. Bad thing about having a big aluminum tank like this is it will dissipate heat pretty fast. That's just the thing about aluminum. Come on. You don't want to heat the rod, you want to heat the surface of where it's touching. Shit. So we ground that down with a little taper so it'll sit in there better. I'm curious if this stuff works because I've never seen anybody successful with it. I don't know if none of us know what we're doing or what, but we're gonna find out. Alright guys, she's cool to the touch. So, wow. Oh, that didn't last long. Boy, does it stick to this though. It is stuck to this. I grinded this and everything. I wonder, I know that's probably not the same kind of aluminum that is, but and also, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So, maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. But boy, is it sure stuck to that. Wow, is it stuck to that. And look. You can see the grooves where I had grinded that. Huh. I don't know, guys. Well, I guess this stuff doesn't work, so probably wouldn't waste my money on it. Or maybe, I don't know. It says low working temperature. Alumaweld is a fluxless low temperature brazing rod for aluminum. Alumaweld will join most aluminum alloys, zinc base alloys, pot metal, and white metal joints made with Alumaweld are permanent, non-corrosive, and stronger than the permanent metal or the parent metal. Working temperature 730 degrees Fahrenheit, tensile strength 40,000 psi. I'm going to try it one more time and I'll be back. We're back and it's cooled off. Let's give it the test. Hey! Hey! I think it worked, guys. I think it worked. I think because what I did was I heated this a lot longer and I did it all over again. I had taken this off. What I did was I just melted it off of here. And then, so I cleaned this back up and then I heated this up a lot more. It was hot. My temperature gauge, I don't know where it's at. I should be using it. So that's probably also an issue. But also this whole tank just sucking all the heat right out of the weld. But guys, I think that'll hold a hose. Well guys, I want to thank you for watching. I mean, I don't know if it was a worthwhile video, but my idea behind the whole video is I've always wondered because, like, I know you've been out in the woods on your ATV or UTV and you got a stick that punctured a hole in your crankcase. The only thing I'm thinking is you and your buddies could run to Harbor Freight, grab some of these, a torch, some new oil, drain your oil out. You have to be careful. Never try and weld a case with oil in it unless you've drained it out and take the filler cap off while you're doing it because you got to get it hot. You can combust that oil, so you got to be careful. But I was always thinking, like, you got a crack in your ATV case. What if you could clean it up with some brake cleaner, sand her down, and you know what I mean? This stuff would be better than JB Weld. I like that. I like that. And it actually turned out to be a decent weld. I'll get you guys a close-up at the end of the video. But, you know, I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. We're going to find out because we're going to put it on the golf cart and definitely check it out and see how it goes. But I had to have that nipple on there so I could adapt the hose to it. And then we got to do some more welding to it. If you guys want to see me do the rest of the welding, because I got to pick up an aluminum neck where I can put like a fill tube on it, which is actually going to go right here in this hole here. And right here, we're just going to put a patch on that. So, because I didn't drill that hole, it was already there. We're going to put a patch on that and kind of go from there. But I'll have to scuff this up, and then I want to polish this and shine it up and put it on the golf cart. So if you guys want to see me do that stuff, definitely let me know, and maybe we'll do it on video. But I mean, I don't know. Is this easy to use? No. Would I trust it for structural stuff? Probably not. But what's the worst that's gonna happen if that hose comes off of there? All my gas is gonna run out. Where I'm mounting it, it's gonna be nowhere near the muffler or the engine. It can just drain straight down if that shall happen. I hope it doesn't happen, but we'll see how it goes. I want to thank you guys for watching, and make sure you get on over there and check out Main Street Cycle, because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to do half the videos that we do. Not to mention, they are CF Moto's #1 dealer, period. And they can get you anything that you want. They can get you any machine that you want. They can get you any accessory that you want. They can get you literally anything you want. If they ain't got it, they'll look into getting it for you, just so you be a happy customer. Make sure you let them know Redneck Garage sent you, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's get some clips of this welding.